how to pay with your phone using the N26 app. So if you use the N26 app, there are two different options. You can either get a physical card or a virtual MasterCard. Once you have received either your virtual or physical card, you will go into your Apple Wallet here. So click on Apple Wallet, and then you want to click on the plus sign. We will basically just add our card to Apple Wallet and use it to pay with our phone. So here you will choose debit or credit card. Then if you see N26 from this list, you will just search for it. If you don't see a list at all, you will just go and choose add a different card. Here it's going to look like this. It's going to take us directly to this page, and here we'll click on continue. It's going to allow us to hold our card near our iPhone. So here you can just hold your N26 card, or if you have a virtual card, you will click on enter details manually. You will type out the name, you will type out the card number, follow the prompts by clicking on next, and that's going to connect your card to Apple Wallet, and then you can just use the Apple Wallet to pay using your NFC chip. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.